welcome to IP Study Video Lectures. Today we will discuss the 24th chapter of Grade 7 English Grammar. And our topic is homophones. These are those pair of words which sound same, but they have different spellings and different meanings at all. In this lesson, we will read some of these pair of words and read their examples. Before the end of this lesson, you will be able to identify homophones and their meaning, define homophones, apply the homophones in sentences. Because homophones, they only sound same, but they have different meanings. Of course, they will be required to put in different kinds of sentences as well. Before we go further, let us read this example. Do you know we have an English test on Monday? No, I have no idea about it. Now, which is a pair of words that sound similar to you? No. K-N-O-W and N-O. No, they sound similar, but they have completely different meaning and they have a completely different usage in a sentence. This no, do you know we have an English test on Monday means if you know something, if you understand something. No, I have no idea. This means a negative sentence that I have no idea. I do not have any idea about it. So homophones are the two words that sound similar but are spelled differently and have different meanings. Now we will read the examples. We will read those pair of words and read each of them with examples. 8. Now this 8 is the past form of eat, means to eat. This 8 is a number 8. He ate his food patiently. He bought 8 apples. So see, because they only sound same, 8, but they have different meanings, different spellings and different kind of sentences, different usage in a sentence. Break. This brake means a stopping device in vehicles, such as the brake on the bike did not work. This break means damage. Did he break the ruler? Bail. This bail means security. The accused was released on bail. This bail means bundle. I slept under a bale of grass. Check. This check means making sure about something or to stop something. Did you check the work? This check, you must have seen your parents making a check, giving it to someone or giving it in the bank. This is a slip of paper ordering money to be paid to somebody. Please deposit this check in the bank. Canon. This canon with single N is rule. Foreign countries have their own canons of conduct and behavior. This cannon with double N means a large gun. 12 cannons were fired in unison. Fair. This fair means just. The person who is just doing justice or who does a justified action. Honest. It was a fair deal. This fare means the charge that you pay for a travel. The charge paid for a travel. Bus fares have increased recently. Hail. H-A-L-E means healthy. H-A-I-L means frozen raindrops, when you get frozen rain. He is hale and hearty now. That means he is healthy now. Hail is commonly seen in the hills. That means the frozen raindrops, they are commonly seen in the hills. So this is frozen raindrops. Meat. This meat with E-A-T, this is animal flesh that we use as food. Mohan likes to eat meat. This meet means to meet someone, to encounter. To encounter, to assemble. Can we meet in the lab? Minor, minor. This minor means not very important or not large, or a person of young age, means a person who is not adult, below 18 years of age. It was a minor issue. Minor, a person who works in a mine. Many miners have lost their lives while working in coal mines. Plain, plain. Plain with plain, Plain, it means simple. Plain with ANE means aircraft that you fly in. The dress seems very plain. We can go around the world by plain. Pain, pain. This pain with AI means a suffering. She cannot tolerate pain. This pain with ANE is a sheet of glass in a window, like we say window pane. The mother is standing by the window pane. Pray, pray. This pray is addressing or requesting God, like with the folded hands when we pray, we shall pray to God. This prey means the animal hunted, the animal who is a victim, and the other animal hunts that animal. The lion hunts its prey. Principle, principle. This principle with PLE is general rule for behavior. Puneet is a man of strong principles. This principal with PAL is the head of an institution, like you have a principal in the school. We met our principal today. Ring, ring. This ring without W means the ring that we wear in hand. A circular piece of jewelry to be put in fingers. The ring is made of pure gold. This ring with W means twist. She wrings the clothes to let them dry. That means to twist. Root, root. This root is a part of a plant that grows underground. Desert plants have very long roots. This root, R-O-U-T-E, this is the way by which one arrives at one's destination. Always follow this route. Similarly, stationery, stationery. The one with E is the writing material such as pen, paper and pencil. I need all the stationery from this shop. Stationery with ARY, that means rest position, stop position, which is something not moving. The car remains stationary on the road. Story, story. This story without E, that means a story, a tale. My mother told me an interesting story. Another story with EY are the floors of a building. My school building has 3-story, or we say multi-story building. Tire, tire. Tire with YRE, it's a thick rubber ring that you see on the cars, bicycles and scooters. We need to replace this tire. Tire with IRE means to exhaust, to become exhausted, feeling very weary. I should not tire myself unnecessarily. Earn, earn. Earn with URN means a round pot or a vase to keep something in it. Earn with EARN means to obtain money for labor or services. Vain, vain. Vain with AIN means useless. I tried in vain to start a conversation. We tried everything, but it was in vain. Vein. This vein with VEIN means thin tube-like structures in the human body. The veins that you can also see in your hands. Her veins have become almost invisible. Weather, weather. Weather with WHETHER means a conjunction, meaning or which of two. I don't care whether you stay here or go. Weather with EATHER, this means the atmosphere, the climate. The weather of Pune is mostly pleasant. So these were the 21 pair of words that we discussed and we read in this lesson. These are the words which sound similar, but they have different meanings and different spellings altogether. Well, there are more such pairs which you can find by using dictionary and with the help of your class teacher as well. Well, I hope you are able to find more homophones and you observe them while reading, writing and speaking sentences. So this was all about homophones. See you in our next video lecture. Till then, keep revising.